Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well and healthy. Today I will talk to my younger brother Shibli Sadiq about life. So let's start a conversation with life. Hello Sadiq, how are you?
Assalamualaikum bhai. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. So firstly tell about you.
Thank you. I am Sheikh Sadiq. I am recently studying in Physical Science Department at Institute of Education and Research of Dhaka University. So I also used to talk to you today about a very interesting life.
What is life?
Actually, life is a journey between B and D. B called birth and D called death. But in the middle word C, and C is in between.
And what is this C?
Actually, C is the choice. Somehow, what to suffer, feel hurt, don't feel hurt, don't feel suffer.
What do you feel? You have a choice?
Yes, obviously, I have a choice, and I also believe that you have a choice. So, to suffer or not to suffer, get hurt or not get hurt, you have a choice. So, I suggest you take your choice and live life happily.
Thank you Sadiq. Everyone notice, take your choice, live life happily.